medicinal properties of pomegranate cooked under charcoal, nature's healing treasure. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an age-old cooking method that transforms one of nature's most amazing fruits, the pomegranate, into a powerhouse of healing properties. We'll explore how cooking pomegranates under charcoal not only enhances their flavor but also unlocks incredible medicinal benefits. So, grab your apron as we unravel the secrets of this ancient technique. Pomegranates, often referred to as nature's jewel, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are celebrated for their potential health benefits, which include rich in antioxidants. Pomegranates contain cherished and anthocyanins that help combat oxidative stress. Studies suggest that consuming pomegranates may lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in pomegranates contribute to reducing inflammation, which can help manage chronic conditions. Cooking pomegranates under charcoal is a traditional practice in many cultures. This method utilizes the indirect heat and smoky flavor from charcoal to enhance the pomegranate's natural sweetness. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook pomegranates under charcoal to create a delightful and flavorful extract that you can use immediately or store for later. This method not only enhances the natural sweetness of the pomegranates but also adds a unique smoky flavor that you won't want to miss. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the pomegranates. First things first. We need to wash and dry our pomegranates thoroughly. It's important to remove any dirt or residue from the skin since we'll be cooking them whole. Once they're clean, we'll carefully wrap each pomegranate in aluminum foil. This step is crucial. Wrapping them tightly minimizes air exposure and prevents the juice from leaking out during cooking. Step 2. Preparing the grill. Now that our pomegranates are wrapped, it's time to prepare our grill. We want to get those coals nice and hot. Ensure your coals are glowing red and producing a steady, even heat. This is key to achieving that perfect cook. Once your coals are ready, place the foil-wrapped pomegranates directly under them. To really trap in the heat and flavor, cover them with even more hot coals. This will help cook them evenly and infuse that smoky flavor we're after. Step 3. Cooking time. Now, we'll let the pomegranates cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. The exact time may vary depending on the heat of your coals, so keep an eye on them. Step 4. Removing the pomegranates. After the cooking time has passed, it's time for the exciting part. Use tongs to carefully remove the pomegranates from the grill. Be cautious, they'll be hot. Allow them to cool for a few minutes. Remember to remove the foil gently to avoid burns. Step 5. Unwrapping and extracting the seeds. Once they're cool enough to handle, it's time to unwrap the foil. You may notice that the skin is charred. That's perfectly normal. Now, carefully peel away the burnt skin. You'll find that the seeds inside are juicy and bursting with flavor. And here you have it, the delicious pomegranate juice. Now, let's explore the medicinal benefits of this unique cooking method. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Cooking pomegranates can make certain nutrients more bioavailable. The heat helps release vitamins and minerals, allowing your body to absorb them better. Detoxification properties. Charcoal is known for its detoxifying properties. When combined with pomegranates, it may help cleanse your body of toxins, supporting digestive health. Improved digestive health. Cooking makes the fruit's fiber easier to digest. This is beneficial, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. Rich flavor and aroma. Beyond the health benefits, charred pomegranates offer a fantastic smoky flavor that elevates any dish. So, whether it's for medicinal purposes or flavor enhancement, there are great reasons to give this method a try. Now that we know how to cook these magical fruits, let's talk about how to enjoy charcoal-cooked pomegranates as a standalone snack. Once cooked, you can simply eat the halves as a nutritious snack or dessert. The smoky sweetness is irresistible. In salads, add the juicy, smoky seeds to fresh salads. They bring a burst of flavor and texture that takes any salad to the next level. In beverages, blend the cooked fruit into smoothies or juices. It adds a nutritious twist that's both delicious and refreshing. As a garnish, use the seeds as a stunning garnish for various dishes, from grilled meats to grain bowls. They add color and a unique flavor. The possibilities are endless. To wrap up, pomegranates cooked under charcoal are not only a culinary delight but also a health powerhouse. With their impressive antioxidant content and the added benefits of charcoal cooking, these fruits truly are nature's healing treasures. Next time you're looking for a unique and healthful addition to your meals, remember this method. You'll not only nourish your body but also tantalize your taste buds in the process. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Have you ever cooked pomegranates under charcoal? I'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you may have. Drop a comment below, and let's share our love for this incredible fruit. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the treasures of nature.